Good morning friend, welcome back to Information Technology Advanced JavaScript. Today's lectures you are going to learn practical. In this practicals you are going to learn document.write property, open method and prompt method of Windows object. As well as you are going to learn how to write JavaScript program to set three different background color to a web page. So let's see the practicals. So you have to start the text editor, that may be Notepad or Sublime text editor, and copy any previous program which you have written so you can save your time. So edit the same one. So I am using the previous program to write. So first basic tag will remain same till the title, then script tag equals JavaScript. After JavaScript you are going to use one functions. Okay, so function, you can take any function name. I am taking a make new window because I'm going to open a new window, that's why I'm writing that window function. Okay, make new window function, and then use the open and close curly bracket and declare the variable. So variable we need new win variable equal, we are going to use window dot open property functions. It will open a new window, and in the new window we are going to write something. That's why we're going to use the document.write property. So new window, new win dot document dot write. Then you are going to write what you want to display on the web page. In double invited code you are going to write. Here we can use the h1 tag for heading styles. We are going to write here this is new window, so anyone can understand this new window has been opened. H1 complete. Okay, and complete a semicolon. Once you finish, complete the brace bracket, then complete a script tag. Then in the body section you have to use the form tag because we need one button on the form. Once you click on that button, the new window should get open and it should display this is new window, like this text it should display. So input type equal button, value you can write create a new window or click to open new window. So you can write here click to open new window. On click functions we are going to call, that is make new window function. We have created a same function we are going to call over here. Then close the form tag, close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Save this file and open this program in the browser. Open in the browser, you will get like this interface. In this interface the button you will see click to open new window. Here you have to click. Once you click, then the new window should open and display this is a new window. Now see, this is a new window is open. This is a previous window and this is a new window. Once you click, so this is new window. So like this output you will get. So I hope you understood the windows.open method and the document.write properties. Now let's see how to write a JavaScript program by using prompt method. Last year we have learned how to use the prompt. By using the prompt method we can accept the input and display it result. So by using prompt we can write one simple program to find the area of circle. Okay, so let's start writing new program. Close this, open the text editor and start writing the program. So give the title to the JavaScript program. So I'm giving title here h1 program to calculate area of circle. Then script type equal text JavaScript. Then declare the variables. In JavaScript we use the keyword var to declare the variables. So var r for the radius and area to calculate the area. So like these two variable we can use. Then use the prompt method to display the prompt once run the program. So prompt enter radius of circle. Complete the statement. Write a formula to calculate area. Area equal 3.14 into r semicolon. Once the formula is over, then you are going to print the results. So you can use the document.write property. Document.write the area of circle is plus area variable, and complete the statement and complete all the tag. Save this program. Once you save this program, open in the browser, you will get like this prompt. In this prompt you are going to enter the radius of a circle. So I'm going to enter the value and click on OK button. Once you click on the OK button, you will get the area of a circle 314. So we have learned how to use the prompt method to write a JavaScript program. Let's learn how to set a 3 different color to the web page by using on click, on mouse over and on mouse move event of the JavaScript. So close this program and open the new file and copy the previous programs. Here we need different functions, so we are going to use a different function to write these programs. Okay, so we are going to use the first function, that is function f1. Then use the curly bracket, and here we can write document dot bg color document dot bg color equal which color you want, that you can write over here. Red color you want, then red color. And then complete the script tag, complete the head tag. Body, in the body section we need one button. Once you click on that button, the color of the background of Windows should get changed. So here first we are going to use the on click method. On click f1 function. On click f1 function. Save this program. So open the browser and see the output. Click on this button, you will see the background color of window is changed with the red color. Now close this output, and now we are going to change the another color. So document.bg color equal blue. We are going to change the event also. So input type equal button, value equal button. On click, instead of on click we are going to use here on mouse over this event. On mouse over means when you move the mouse pointer over the button, the color of the window should get changed. Save this program once again and open in the browser and move the mouse pointer over the button. The color of the button color of the window should get changed, blue. Okay, now see, this is called the mouse over event. One more event we are going to see, that is called mouse move event. So here we are going to change the another color, that's green color will take, and event will change on the place of mouse over mouse move. Okay, save this file, open this program in the browser and move the mouse anywhere, you will get the output. This color is changed with the green color. So these are the three different background color of the window we have changed by using on click event, on mouse over event, and on mouse move event. I hope you understood this program. So once again, let's write one more program using JavaScript such that when the mouse is placed over the first button object without clicking, the color of the background of the page should change after every second. There should at least 4 different and visibly distinct background color excluding the default color. So let's start how to write this program by using JavaScript. So open the text editor and start typing the basic codes. Once you finish typing the basic codes, here we need 4 different functions. We have already learned in the previous program this function 1, function 2. So we can use a function f1 to change the first background color, but here windows.setTimeout, this method we are going to use to change the background color in different second. Here 1200 millisecond we are going to use. So 1200 millisecond the next color should get changed. So first color, document.background color green, we should not use the white color, the default color is the white color, so we should not use the white color. Excluding white color we can use any other color. Okay, so first function f1, open curly bracket and the close curly bracket, in that document.background color we are going to change the green, that's why it is written green. Then we are going to set the time, how much time that next color should come on the screen. So windows.setTime function f2, the color should display in 1200 millisecond. Okay, then we are going to write the next function f2, then open curly bracket and write document dot bg color equal red, complete the semicolon, set the windows time, window dot set time out in bracket double inverted code f3 function. Here f1, f2, f2, f3 functions, comma, same timing 1200, then put a semicolon. This is the second function got over. Then we are going to use the third function for third color, function f3 document dot bg color equal next color. Now 2 colors over, now next color we are going to take blue, semicolon. You can set the windows property, window dot set time out function f4 comma millisecond 1200. Then we are going to use the fourth function f4 document dot bg color equal orange. Semicolon window dot set time out function double inverted quote f1 comma 1200. So here we finish 4 different color excluding the by default color white, green, red, blue and orange. So once again we'll check the function f1 will change the color green, background color green. Functions f2 will change the background color red. Function f3 will change the background color blue, and functions f4 will change the background color orange. And again it will start with the function f1, that is the green color. Then you have to close the remaining tag, that is script tag, head tag, body and the form. In the body section we need one button, that is color, input type equal button. So value equal color, the value color will be displayed on the button. This is the value, means name of the button will be displayed. When the mouse pointer will move on that button, that is called mouse over event, the background color automatically will start changing. So here are the conditions. We have decided to write JavaScript program such that when the mouse is placed over the first button object without clicking, the color of the background of the page should change after every millisecond, and there should be at least 4 different and visibly distinct background color excluding the default color. So we need an on mouse over event. So save this program, right click and open in the browser and check the output. When you move the mouse like this, output you will get, and the one button, that is color. When you move the mouse pointer on that color button, automatically the color background color should start changing. We should not click on that button, but we are going to move mouse pointer over that button. See, I have moved the mouse pointer over that button and the color started changing. 4 different color. The first color was the green, then blue, then red and then the orange color. So I hope you understood these practicals, how to change the color automatically when the mouse pointer will move on the button. Thank you.